Hi dear aspirants, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes, and in this video I am solving RBI grade B DSIM, that means Department of Statistics and Information Management। इसी का जो पेपर 2 है डिस्क्रिप्टिव टाइप पेपर स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ऊपर, उसी पेपर का प्रीवियस ईयर का सॉल्यूशन। If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Soros says reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. If you want to take admission from our side for that course, now this is the best time. Why? Because now we are provide the maximum discount of that course, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Souras's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav Sir. So let's start with question number 11b. What is say this 11b? Consider a points 1 2 3 4 marked as straight line. Let xn be the Markov chain that moves to the right with probability 2 by 3 and to the left with probability 1 by 3, subject to the condition if fxn tries to go to left from 1 or right from 4, it is stays there. So find the limiting amount of the time to the chain spans at each point. So here, defining the transition matrix for Markov chain, there is for total 4 states. At state A1, at state 1, there is only move. State 2 right is probability is 2 by 3 and state 1 with probability 1 by 3. Okay, at state 1, sorry, it will move state 2 right, that probability what 2 by 3, and stay at state 1 probability 1 by 3. And since it cannot be moved from left, so at state 2 it this state 2 at state 2 it can move state 3 right with probability 2 by 3, or to state 1 with left probability 1 by 3. And at state 3, if the chain is state 3, that you move 3 to 4, then with probability 2 by 3 and left probability 1 by 3. And at state 4, if state 4, that only can move state 3 left probability with 1 by 3 and state 4 with probability 2 by 3, since it cannot be moved from left. Okay, so what will be the transition matrix for P? Here P will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 0, 2 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0, 2 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, and 0, 0, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So here the finding the stationary distribution pi, that means pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4, that satisfies pi p equals to what? P, and 4 equals, and summation of I equals to 1 to 4 pi I, that is 1. So that gives the system of equation. Here pi 1 equals to 1 by 3 pi 1 plus 1 2 by plus 1 by 3 pi 2, and pi 2 equals to 2 by 3 pi 1 plus 1 by 3 pi 3, and pi 3 equals to 2 by 3 pi 2 plus 1 by 3 pi 4, and pi 4 equals to 2 by 3 pi 4 plus 2 by 3 pi 3. And Solving the system of linear equation, here pi 4 equals to 2 by 3 pi 4 plus 2 by 3 pi 3. So now rearranging, that gives 1 by 3 pi 4 equals to 2 by 3 pi 3. That means pi 4 equals to 2 pi 3. Okay, and using the equation 3, here the pi 3 equals to 2 by 3 pi 2 plus 1 by 3 pi 4, and by substituting pi 4 equals to 2 pi 3, so pi 3 equals to 2 by 3 pi 2 plus 1 by 3 2 pi 3, and pi 3 equals to 2 by 3 pi 2, sorry, 2 by 3 pi 2 plus 2 by 3 pi 3. Okay, and now rearranging again, so 1 by 3 pi 3 equals to what? 2 by 3 pi 2. So here pi 3 equals to 2 pi 2. Now using equation 2, pi 2 equals to 2 by 3 pi 1 plus 1 by 3 pi 3. Substitute pi 3 equals to pi 2. That means pi 2 equals to 2 by 3 pi 1 plus 1 by 3 2 pi 2. So now that is pi 2 equals 2 by 3 pi 1 plus 2 by 3 pi 2, and rearranging the 1 by 3 pi 2 equals to 2 by 3 pi 1. So that means pi 2 equals to 2 pi 1. So now we have relationships, that is pi 2 equals to 2 pi 1 and pi 3 equals to 2 pi 2 and equals to 4 pi 1, and pi 4 equals to 2 pi 3 or 8 pi 1. Okay, so now normalize this probability. Now we can normalize condition, that is summation I equals to 1 to 4 pi I equals to 1. So here pi 1 plus pi 2 plus pi 3 plus pi 4 will what? That is equals to 4. So substitute pi 2, substitute this pi 2 equals to 2 pi 1 and pi 3 equals to 4 pi 1, and pi 4 equals to 8 pi 1 into this. So now pi 1 plus pi 2 plus 2 pi 1 plus 4 pi 1 plus 8 pi 1, that is equals to 1. So 15 pi 1, that is equals to 1. So pi 1 here 1 by 15. Okay, so pi 1 equals to 1 by 15 and pi 2 equals to 2 by 15 and pi 3 equals to 4 by 15 and pi 4 equals to 8 by 15. So thus this long run, that change spends 1 by 16 of the time at state 1, 2 by 15 and of the time at state 2, and 4 by 15 at the time state 3, and 8 by 15 at the time state 4. So this will be the actual solutions for that question. That's all about that. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को दोस्तों से फैमिली से शेयर कर लीजिए और इस वीडियो हमारा चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन आल्सो. So for latest video update, for that's all about that. We'll meet you in next session. Thank you and goodbye also.